How cheap and easy can growing potatoes be? Can we grow them in a cardboard box, even in rainy Ireland? That's exactly what we're testing today. Let's dive in and have some fun. Hello, and welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to Bloomy Slopes Gardens. Potatoes are a true Irish staple, naturally low fat if you boil or bake them, and absolutely packed with carbohydrates. Just one medium spud, skin on, can give you around 26 grams of those good carbs. They're very easy to grow, but what if you don't have a garden? What about urban dwellers with just a patio or a balcony? Can you really grow them in a container? Absolutely. Potatoes grow very well in containers. This saves space and makes the spuds easier to harvest. But what kind of container? And how can we make it as cheap and easy as possible? While some people grow them in buckets, I stumbled upon a video about reusing cardboard boxes as containers and wondered, could this actually work here in rainy Ireland? Well, there's only one way to find out. Now, about these cardboard boxes. I reused a box I had to hand. While an incredibly resourceful idea, we do still need to think about how they might hold up in the wet. Since I was planting first earlies, which have a relatively short growing season of about 10 to 12 weeks, my box only needs to hold up for that amount of time. But if you're thinking of growing main crop potatoes, which have a longer growing season, then here are some more things to think about. We want moist but never waterlogged soil. While cardboard is naturally porous, the heavy rain we get here in Ireland may still be. Even then, if there was a lot of rain, I would still expect the box to start to look a bit tired. Also consider the type of cardboard. A sturdy moving box will definitely last longer than a thin delivery box. And for those of you brave enough to attempt to grow main crop potatoes, you might even consider an outer layer of cardboard for extra durability. One more thing to keep in mind though, when you're thinking about reusing a box for growing food. Generally speaking, uncoated cardboard with no heavy dyes is probably okay. Soy-based inks are likely just fine, but coated boxes with heavy, colourful dyes are not something you want leaching into your spuds. This past growing season got surprisingly warm for Ireland, and container plants can dry out faster than plants in the ground. You're going to need to water them. The potato plants do start to look droopy when they need watering. So make sure to check the soil moisture with your finger. If it feels dry to a few centimeters down, give them a good drink. And of course, make sure your cardboard box is in the sunniest spot of your patio or balcony, aiming for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. I made my own potting mix for this experiment, equal parts topsoil and compost, with a few handfuls of vermiculite thrown in. A good quality shop-bought potting mix would do just as well. I didn't use a potato fertilizer because I was trying to keep costs down, but it's possible that doing so might have increased my yield. I planted them in mid-March and harvested them at the end of June. That's about 15 weeks. The beauty of growing potatoes in containers, especially cardboard boxes, is the harvest. Once the foliage yellows and dies back, simply tip the box over or even cut away the cardboard and you'll find your lovely spuds. So there you have it. After our experiment here at Bloomy Slopes Gardens, the answer is absolutely yes. Potatoes will grow in cardboard containers even in rainy Ireland. Thanks for watching. So long and happy gardening.